Hi YouTube, so I've just got home from work and saw this ordeal waiting for me in the hallway. So, what could it be? Well, any of you that have seen those new in-box vacuum cleaners that were listed on eBay may have seen what this one is. Obviously you can't tell at the moment, and you'll probably obviously tell from the title, but they're from that discontinued but discounted, I believe they're called, and I did have a bit of an issue with two of the things I bought, which I won't get into that, but anyway, let's have a look and see what's inside. So it looks very well packaged. I am right-handed, so I'll have to carefully cut into this packaging. I've got another cleaner to be expected on the way, so there should be, well, there will be, hopefully, another unboxing video. So have you guessed already? Let's see. Obviously I took my address off because I don't want my address on YouTube, do I? Try not to damage the box any more than it probably is already. So, this is what some would call a vintage vacuum cleaner, but it's brand new, so I'm going to unbox it for you, and for my own personal pleasure, if you like. Just try and get this out the way. Sorry about this. There we go. So it's a Panasonic wall-to-wall vacuum cleaner, model MC-E451. So it says on the side of the box here, built-in tools, beta bar selector, powerful 750 watt motor. Well, it didn't say motor, but automatic height adjustment, clean filtration. There's a picture of it on the box there. This is a very early, this was the middle of the range 400 series from when they first came out, which was about 94, something like that. So there's the serial number on the box. Doesn't have a date on there, it doesn't seem. 8 kilos is the net weight. It says Panasonic on the box. Caution, do not open it with a sharp object. Oh, well, I've broke that rule, haven't I? And the same on the other sides of the box, I believe. Yes, so this tape obviously with time has become not sticky anymore. Just remove it, and we will reveal. It's in a lovely blue colour. I'm not sure what Panasonic call this colour. On the inside it says, before operating, please read the operating instructions completely. I'm kind of using the banister here to keep the box open for me. So let's see. As you can see, that's what it looks like inside. The first object to come out is the handle. Which is still wrapped up in tape. And I'll just pause while I open that. There we are. Didn't want to damage the wrapping. Carefully remove that. So there's your handle, nice grip on there. Little important sticker there saying, to avoid any possible damage to the to the mains cord insulation, do not run the cleaner over the cord. Well, we obviously know that, don't we? And the hose clip there. So it's in a very, very nice blue colour. I really do like this colour. So a bit of a mark on it there. But it's not too much to worry about. So, what's next? Let's see how this comes out. Oh, we do have a... Good grief, that's old. So we have a bag that's open at the bottom, which I'll most likely be keeping that. I don't think I'll be using that. It might provide a slide clip. Put these two on the side. Let's see what's next. Obviously we have the manual here, which, let's have a look. Let's see if we can just open this here carefully. So we have a Panasonic, looks like some sort of envelope that you send the guarantee off. There's no dates on here so far, but yes, that's the guarantee and conditions of guarantee. It's a bit bent, but it's not too bad. Panasonic authorised service centres. It's got the different languages in there. Still no dates on anywhere. Let's have a look. Maybe the manual's got a date on it. Printed in Spain. Nope. Anyway, that's the instructions. I won't go into too much detail with those. Just carefully put that back in there. Anyway. So I think, let's have a look what's in here now. Remove this carefully. Remove this bit of packaging. And then we can remove the cleaner. Will it allow us to stand it up? Not yet, it seems. I think we have to remove it from the bag here. Oh, you can't see much here, can you? Let's just try and carefully remove this. Oh, isn't that fantastic, eh? And this model does have the variable power control. This, as I said, this was the middle line. The bottom of the line would have been the MC-E451, which wouldn't have had the variable power and it would have been just the same as this but white. And then there would have been this one, which is in blue and has the variable power control. The white one, the MC-E450, was 700 watts. This model is 750, and I believe the MC-E, I think it's 452. Yeah, 452 would have been red, would have had the variable power, and would have had a headlight there, which was, I believe, would have also been 750 watts. So the tools are already attached. Let's just try and get this box a bit out of the way here. Let's pop these bits out the way. The hoses seems very good quality. Now I don't have a screwdriver handy. I did have one. What did I do with it? Not sure. So I will just pause for a second while I get a screwdriver. Okay, so I've got a screwdriver. I'm just going to remove the screw from the handle. Which is very difficult with just one hand. There we are. And carefully slide the handle into place. Don't want to force it, it doesn't want to go. Hang on. Oh, it's just a bit stiff, that's all. There we are. So that's correctly located. Obviously with it being brand new it's a bit stiff is all, but put that screw back in. Being careful not to try and scratch the plastic in doing so. There we go. Doing anything holding a camera is nigh on impossible. That's not screwed in fully, but it'll do for now. Obviously the hose just fits on there. When you've got it unkinked. There we are. So we just have to undo these little ties. I wish I had a tripod, make life so much easier. And we have a little warning safety sticker there on the plug, which I might take off, so that'll just get in the way. Just pop it in there. Oops, didn't want to rip it, but there we are. And keep that. And obviously the cord just wraps around the two hooks. It says. There we are. So there it is. Get it in the light better. You can tell it's an early model. It has the Panasonic lettering going vertically up the back door. And I don't think it'll have a bag in. No, it does. Yes, it does have a bag in. and they give you the little clip. They've put the bag in already for us. And not put it in very well, have they? Right. Don't know if that'll stay in. Will it? Whoops. There we are. Well, it seems to be in. There is a little device on the back of here that stops it from coming out anyway. But obviously it has a genuine bag in, and all this is lovely and clean. Brand new filter. Let's have a look at the filters. Lovely and white. It's electrostatic filtration. Oops. With a little carbon filter on the back, which is probably to reduce odours. And back in it goes. Just clicks in. You've got a little filter behind the motor cover there, casing. And obviously your pre-filter was just a little sponge in the bottom. So the variable power, let's have a look what it says on the front of the manual. I believe it says on it somewhere. Maybe not. Thought it told you the motor speed, but it doesn't. But I think it's from about 350 watts to 750 variable. Obviously you've got your brush roll on off there, on off switch on the side, bag full indicator. Obviously it's automatic height adjustment. Let's have a look underneath. Obviously brand new brush roll. Oops, get it in film there. Nice stiff bristles with the beta pads here. See if we can get that to focus a bit better. See how shiny that is. I hope the motor sounds alright. Turning that by hand sounds a bit rough. Anyway, that's that. Coming towards the back here, you have your long crevice tool and your extension wand. And the crevice tool just stores inside the wand. And on the back here you have a dusting brush which has got nice soft bristles. It's quite strange actually, the dusting brush is sort of a grey colour, whereas the wand and the hose are black. And obviously you've got your hose. It's got a little caution sticker on again, so zoom, just focus a bit better. So it is a good quality hose, nice and flexible and stretchy, decent length. This is fixed on the back here where it goes into the machine, rather than the 40 series which spun all the way around. Got a carrying handle here at the back that acts as a carrying handle, or you can carry it at the front there, whichever is more comfortable for you. So I'll clear all this rubbish away over here, all this stuff, and then I'll give you a quick run of it for the first time since probably 1995 maybe. I'll see if I can find a proper date and put it in the video description, but anyway, let's just clear this rubbish away. Right, so here it is then, the Panasonic MC-E451. It's got all plugged in and ready to go. So it's on max, so we'll just... It's got a little hook here. Doesn't work very well, but it's supposed to hold the cable nicely for you. So, turn this on for the first time in good 15 plus years. So off we go. Well, that was very abrupt and stop there. Well, it's quite good really. It's very strong suction. I completely didn't even think that the belt would have stretched. It's quite obvious when you think about it. But me just registering it as a brand new cleaner, normally when you go out and buy a brand new vacuum you don't need to put a new belt on it because it's new. But yeah, obviously I'll have to give you, when I've changed the belt, I'll have to give you another demo video of it, but that's the Panasonic MC-E451 unboxing. Like I said, I'll give you a better demo video of it, especially when the sunlight's a bit brighter so you can see it a bit better, but hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing. I mean, it is quite late in the day, it's 5 to 6 now. But, yeah, so I shall get a new belt on it and then I'll give you another demo. So, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. And congratulations to everybody who won the other vacuums that he was selling. And hope you enjoy them. So, thank you and goodbye.